Have you ever wondered how much money you can actually send using Paysend? I know I did. It's a great service for sending money internationally, but I was curious about the limits. So, let's dive in and find out together. What is Paysend? A brief overview of Paysend, what it is, how it works, and why it's popular. Highlight its key features: fast transfers, low fees, and a wide range of supported countries. Factors affecting send limits. Country: different countries have different regulations regarding international money transfers. Some countries may have stricter limits than others. Payment method: the method you use to fund your Paysend account can also impact the send limit. For example, using a credit card might have higher limits than using a bank transfer. Paysend account type: if Paysend has different account types, e.g., personal, business, the limits might vary based on your account type. KYC verification: to ensure compliance with anti-money laundering regulations, Paysend may require you to complete Know Your Customer (KYC) verification. Once verified, you may be eligible for higher send limits. General send limits. Provide general information about the average send limits on Paysend. Use examples to illustrate the limits. For instance, you might be able to send up to $10,000 in a single transaction from the United States to the United Kingdom. How to check your specific limit. Guide viewers through the steps of checking their individual send limits on the Paysend platform. Mention that the limit might be displayed when they try to initiate a transfer. Tips for maximizing send limits. Verify your account. Encourage viewers to complete KYC verification to increase their send limits. Use multiple transactions. If you need to send a large amount, suggest breaking it down into smaller transactions to avoid exceeding the single transaction limit. Consider alternative payment methods. Explain how using different payment methods might affect the limit and recommend options if necessary. Real-world examples. Share personal stories or anecdotes about people who have successfully sent large amounts on Paysend. Use testimonials or reviews to reinforce the information. Addressing common concerns. Fees. Discuss how fees might impact the overall amount you can send, considering the fees charged by Paysend and any potential fees from your bank or other intermediaries. Currency conversion. Explain how currency conversion rates can affect the amount you receive in the recipient's currency. Security. Address concerns about security and fraud prevention measures implemented by Paysend. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Reiterate that the send limit can vary based on individual circumstances. Encourage viewers to check their specific limits on the Paysend platform. Invite viewers to subscribe to your channel for more financial tips and information. Encourage them to share the video with their friends and family. So, there you have it. Now you know how much you can send on Paysend. Did you find this information helpful? Let me know in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.